So when I was asked by the company to receive this wok and try it out for free, I did not expect to love it as much as I do. And I'm always in the kitchen. I'm always cooking for my two boys and my husband. But this is a 13-inch carbon steel wok. And it's not your average nonstick. It's got a slightly rough texture that's actually a natural nonstick surface. It's no weird coating. It's just a smart design that keeps food from sticking. It makes cleanup so easy. It comes with everything, a lid, a spatula, and even a little dish brush. And it's deep enough to cook for our whole family. I mean, I can do stir fry, fried rice, steam. It handles all of it. And what's really cool is it's pre-seasoned at 1,000-degree Fahrenheit, so it's ready to go right out of the box, and it can work on any stove, gas, electric, or induction. Thanks to that flat bottom, there's no wobbling. The handle comes off for oven use and for easy storage, and the upgraded silicone spatula means no scratching the wok surface. So if you've been cooking with a regular pan, you have to try this. I was so amazed at how much I loved it. It heats up fast, it cooks evenly, and just makes dinner a little bit more fun because it's so much easier with less cleanup. Trust me, once you use this wok, you're going to be hooked. I love it. I think you will too, and I hope this video helps.